Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how we can make a fillet of this sea bass. You know, the sea bass which I have the whole sea bass. So I wanna show you guys how we can make a fillet of this sea bass. So let's start. So we will start from his tail first, right? So we will go from his tail, just a small cut we will start. Then after that we will flip our knife. You can see like this, right? See, like this, just like a small square from his tail side, right? Then we will go with the flow of his spine. Be careful if you are holding a knife, if you are making a fillet, so just make sure if you know how to hold the knife, right? Whenever you will hold this knife in a wrong way, so maybe you can harm off your hand. So it's a very important thing if you are holding a knife, so make sure you know how to hold the knife, right? So this is the very important thing. So you can see here also have his bone. So if you are um, making a fillet, so make sure just to go with the knife flow, right? No need to just fast like that. Same, just a little bit cuts. So you can see guys, his fillet has been done and you can see this part. See the bone, you can listen the sound. So this is the perfect way if you are making a fillet of any kind of fish. So if you know how to cut, if you know how to hold, if you know the bones, right? If you know from where you have to start to fillet, make a fillet. So this is the very important thing. So you also can make like this fillet. So bye.